Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to set up cookie consent banner for your website. That is, I will try to show the for Facebook, Google Ads, all of that. So let's get started. So you can see that I am landing on the CookieYes platform, that is the CMP. CookieYes, you have to find out lots of CMP. If you search on the Google, you can find out that lots of CMP, and you can use any other CMP according to your need and business. So firstly, I am go to get start for free, and here you have to adding your email address. So I'm just putting my email address and website, which website you want to create cookie consent. So I'm putting the website and password according to you giving the password, and you have to adding your password and get started, and it will take some time to reload the whole process. So now you have to select your layout and color, and you have to pick light or dark. So next step, I want to go to the next step, and I want to install the CookieYes with the Google Tag Manager. So I'm select on it, and you have to copy the key to set up the Google Tag Manager and verify. So now I am go to the Google Tag Manager, create the cookie consent banner. So new tag and then tag configuration, and you have to find out the template, that is CookieYes. Yes, CookieYes. You have to adding the template, edit, and you have to adding the key. That's I am copy from the CookieYes. So I'm just tick mark on the pass and click information through URLs and redirect ads. And in the triggering, you must be at the consent initialization all pages. So I'm just giving the tag name CookieYes CMP and save it. So I'm going to testing it. Our cookie board. Yes, you can see that our our cookie banner in showing the left hand side. If I go to the customize section, here we have to find out the analytics, performance, advertising, CookieYes CMP on our Google Tag Manager. So now back to our Google Tag Assistant and see that our cookie consent update are working. If I am go to the consent mode, here you can see that only security storage and granted, but all our options are denied. So we have to perfectly set up cookie consent on our website. So now back to our CookieYes platform, and if I go to the cookie banner to more setup. So if I go to the cookie banner, you can see that consent template according to your country and your place. You have to use the consent template. So you can see that consent template and geo target banner. So you have to enable to the select country and which country your business are running. So that is the pro version. So for the making tutorial purpose, I'm using the free version. So that is the disable on it. If you are using the pro version, then you have to select your country, and according to your country, CookieYes are automatically generated your consent mode, which consent mode appropriate for your country. I hope you understand. So, and we are already set up cookie consent banner with the Google Tag Manager. Now show that how to activate the cookie consent banner for our different kind of platform. So back to our Google Tag Manager, and here, so in the Tag Manager, we have to enable the consent mode. So go to admin and container settings. In the container settings, you can see that additional settings enable consent overview. So you have to tick mark on it and save, and back to workspace and go to tag. Here you can see that you have to find out the shield. We have to activate it. So select on it, and you have to find out all your tag. You have to optimize each and everything. So firstly, I am go to for the Facebook. So I am selecting the all Facebook tag. You can see that, and you go to the settings, And here you have to find out three options. So you have to select the third one and add require consent. That will be the ad storage, because Facebook are the ads platform and you have to consent for the Facebook, so or Meta. So save it. And also you can see that we have to select the six tag. So finally we have to save it, and you can see that that's are also we have to add in the consent mode for ad storage. So if I am go to again preview option with our website and continue, and that is our website. And if I am go to the consent and accept all and back to tag assistant, and you have to find out the page view option. If I am reject it, then we do not find out the page view option. And if I am clicking any product, and also we have to find out the view content. If we have rejected the consent for the ads platform, so that will not the show in the that tag is not fire. So that is for the Facebook. Now go to the Google Ads. So again we are go to the shell mode, and we have to select the Google Ads platform. So you can see that Google Ads conversion tracking. So I'm selecting the all Google Ads tag, and we have to go to the settings on it. So we are selecting the require additional consent for tag fire. You can also set up the ad storage, but you know that Google are using the advanced modeling, so we do not need to the adding any additional consent. For that we have to using the advanced model, so we're using the no additional consent required for that. But if you using the basic model, then you can select the require additional consent for tag fire, that is at storage. But is my recommendation is you have to select the second one. So I am clicking the save and also save and close it. If I again go to the shield, see that our Google Ads platform, yes, you can see that Google Ads are also consent mode are activated. So if I go to the again preview option from the our browser container preview and continue and go to our consent. So we have if I am reset all and back to Google Tag Assistant, and if I am go to the any product page and go to the consent, and here you can see that all denied, it is not work. But now I am go to the again preview option for the accepting all, go to again preview, go to continue, and that is our website. If I go to the consent mode accept all and go to any product page and back to tag assistant consent mode update and go to consent, here you can see that that is granted one by one, and our also view item add to cart tag is working perfectly. So finally we are how to set up your CMP and create the cookie banner for your website for Google Ads and Facebook Ads. In the next video, I will show you how to set up your consent mode for your server site. So thanks for watching this video.